Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to copy PDF to Excel. So let's start. So this is my PDF. You can see here sales and purchase data in this PDF. So there are some sales data in Q1 2024 and here the Q2 sales data, then purchase data for Q1 and Q2. Okay. So these are the data is available in this PDF. So this data I'm going to copy in Excel. So here I open the blank Excel file. After that, just go to the data tab. In get and transform data group, click on the get data option, then click on the from file. Okay, then click on the from PDF. Okay, and select your PDF, those you want to copy. Click on the PDF and click on import. And here the one dialog box open navigator. So this is a PDF folder is automatically here created, and in this folder all the pages of PDF here showing. You can see all the PDF pages here showing. Okay. So you can simply select the table those you want. So suppose I want the first one here. After the check the preview, you just click on the load and that's it. Your data is copied in Excel. You can see the data here added. Okay. So that's it. Your PDF copy easily copy to Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.